What is it like to be an owner-operator?
So you think you want to be an owner-operator? Well, you better like doing this on Friday evening, because this is what you're going to be doing if you want to be an owner-operator. Don't believe all that bullshit about, oh, you're making all this money, just take it to the shop. Ain't happening. Till next time, keep struggling.
The struggle is real. Now, according to the Owner Operators Association, there are 350,000 owner operators in the United States of the roughly 4 million drivers that are out there. And I remember as a sales account manager, Diana, it certainly was the true, like what he's talking about, this Friday evening, wrenching on the truck, having to get parts Saturday, working on the truck all day on Saturday, getting it ready for Sunday, maybe squeezing in some family time on Saturday evening and a little bit of time with your spouse, and then maybe church in the morning on Sunday, and then packing up and back on the road. That's the life of the owner operator. When you look at that situation, and it reminds me of when I was selling parts to these people. I can't tell you how many times on my drive home from a long week of being on the road selling, I'd get phone calls from customers saying, I need a compressor. Can you have it here Saturday morning? And this is the reality. So when I watched that video, it really resonated with me.
Yeah, absolutely. A commenter named Danny Coots summed it up basically by saying, Friday, you get home late, you start fixing, and then, of course, you break another part while you're fixing the first one. Then Saturday before noon, you have to get to the parts store. And then Sunday, you finish fixing the truck just in time for you to finally head out again.
That's right.